Looking to the holidays now, many college students are remaining on campus through Thanksgiving. And today at Westchester University, a team was busy preparing special care packages. Alicia's here now, and of course, they still want to make it feel as if the holidays can be a happy place, even if the students aren't with their families.
Absolutely. They called it a packing party, socially distanced, of course. This group from the school's resource pantry was assembling food and supplies for those who will remain there on campus for holiday.
It is particularly difficult this year because our campus closes sooner. So because we actually close down campus tomorrow, we have to provide 8 weeks worth of food as well as personal care products for all of our Promise Program students.
Add to that, the university dining hall will also be closed now through January 22nd, and the shuttle buses are not operating. Some of the students that they're packing those boxes for, by the way, are also homeless and really need their help and all of our help. This pandemic has made tough situations worse for many university students, and this group wanted to spread some cheer, but also provide necessities to get them through the next 2 months. Rick.
All right, that time of year. Thank you, Alicia.